Hello everyone, hope you're all well. My name is Ripanjit Kaur. I have my MS in mathematics and I'm teaching since 2016 as I love to find ways of engaging children with maths. Today, my main topic for this assignment is congruence and similarity. So first, we will clear our objectives for today. Number one, children will be able to understand the concept of congruence and similarity. They will be able to differentiate between congruent and similar figures. Then they will be able to apply congruence and similarity principles to solve problems. Lastly, they will be able to clearly communicate mathematical reasoning of figures being congruent and similar and how they are related to our real life. So with that, let's dive right in. We can pique their interest by asking them what is the color of this figure. Then we can surprise them by doing this. Right. Similarly, we can take a few more examples of this, then again this. So figures having the same size, same shape are called as congruent figures. And congruent over here means exactly the same. Then again, we can ask, what if the figures were of different sizes but of the same shapes? We can give a few examples and then we can tell them these kind of figures are called as similar figures, and which here means having the same features. Then how are they related to our real life? So they will give a few examples. Then over here we can turn on the annotation option. We can give a few examples over here and we can ask them, okay, can you circle which one out of these are congruent? Which one out of these are similar? Can you circle the one using the annotation option on Zoom, right? So this is how we can engage them through Zoom. And also it will be giving the example of things which are related to real life. Then we can go to our another tool, which is GeoGebra. And over here we can change the dimensions and see. The shape is the same, sizes are changing, so they are similar, but what if the shape and size becomes the same? Then these are congruent figures. Then we can go towards digital worksheet kind of thing, or more likely we can say it is a game. So they will start. It will also give the examples, then we can start. They will highlight whatever is correct and cross if it is incorrect. It will at the end shows the rounds, hits, misses, and score. That is how they are doing on the spot. Again, we can use another site, which is mathforchildren.com. The another one, by the way, was shepherdsoftware.com. Here we can again give them as a quiz, and here will be point value, which is out of 70, and at the end we will again get on the spot evaluation of how the children are doing, if they have understood the concept or not. So again, there is another one, which is Kahoot. So we can use this game or the quiz as well. Then again, if we want to have the assessment or evaluation to be recorded, then there is another site, which is quizzes.com. So over here, all the data of the children, how they are doing, their progress, can be recorded. Another such site is liveworksheets.com. Depending on the level of the children, we can go ahead with that particular type of assessment, right? Again, there is deltamath.com. For congruence, we have. For similarity, we have. So like these, depending on the level of the children, we can go ahead with a particular site, which are not just engaging, but they will also be giving us a data set of the children, how they are performing, their progress level and their evaluation. So at the end of it, the key takeaways of the lesson on congruence and similarity will be clear understanding of the concepts. They will have sharper identification skills. They will be able to apply the principles that they have learned in their real life. They will be able to tell what are congruent and similar figure and their reasoning perfectly and clearly, right? So by internalizing these key takeaways, students will not only master the concepts of congruence and similarity, but also develop essential problem-solving skills and effective communication in mathematics. So with that, I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you so much.